Good morning, students. Welcome to hashtag Maths Adda. My name is Master Akesh. There is a concept of simple interest. I'm going to cover the entire topic of simple interest. There are three terminology: principal, interest, annum. Apart from that, ROI, rate of interest, which is represented as R, and time. Okay, it is either T or N. Somewhere is N, somewhere is T. It is being used. So principal, what do you understand by the principal? What is interest? I am going to cover these topic under the simple interest. Any money deposited or borrowed is called the principal. Any money deposited or borrowed is called the principal, because the additional money paid for using the money is called interest. Any money deposited or borrowed, or lent, so that is known as principal. Any money, okay, any money जो जमा किया हुआ है, उधारी का है, which is deposited, जमा, उधारी, that is known as principal. Okay. Interest, see, if we deposit some money in the bank, so bank use that money in some other things, so they give us some interest at the particular period of time, either monthly, quarterly, half yearly or annually. Annually means एक साल का, 1 year, within a 1 year they will pay some interest. So interest on principal always they they give us, so that is known as interest. Or if we borrow some money from the bank, like home loan, we are taking money from the bank, so they will charge interest on us. So देखिए, दो तरीके, अगर हमने बैंक को पैसा दिया तो बैंक हमको पैसा देगा इंटरेस्ट के तौर पे, हमने बैंक से पैसा लिया तो बैंक विल चार्ज अस इंटरेस्ट. सो दीज आर द प्रिंसिपल एंड इंटरेस्ट. सो इंटरेस्ट बोलो और सिंपल इंटरेस्ट बोलो, ओके. और कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट की बहुत सारी फॉर्म्स है, CI है, SI है. सो इंटरेस्ट इज ऑलवेज चार्ज ऑन दिस प्रिंसिपल. सो the additional money paid for using this money is called the interest. So the interest is nothing but additional money which you are paying. So additional money you are paying, additional money, so which you are paying, that is known as interest. Okay. Annum means annual. Annual means per year, annually or per year. Per annum means per annum means annually or per year. मतलब 12 मंथ का टाइम और 12 months time. ROI, rate of interest, it is known as R. It is denoted as the symbol by R or capital R. Okay. Time is T or somewhere is N. It is denoted by N. Time is for 1 year, 2 year, 3 years. Okay, rate of interest is like 5%, 6%. So these are known as rate of interest. So rate of interest they will charge on this ROI is nothing but this interest, the additional money. Principal which is deposited or borrowed or lent by us, that is known as principal amount. There are the formula: if the total sum that we will receive from the bank on the deposit after a year, the total sum which we will receive, it is being calculated with the formula amount equal to principal plus SI. We are depositing this amount with the bank. हमने principal deposit, P means principal, और उस पे बैंक ने SI लगाया, simple interest. So P plus SI total both will be included as an amount which we will get after 1 year, 2 year, whatever will be the conditions. So this is the amount total we will receive. So there is a formula of simple interest. Simple interest equal to P into R into T upon 100. You will have to remember this formula. This is the calculation done of by simple interest. We'll take an example here. Suppose that Anil deposited 8,000 in a saving bank account. So we'll check, just a minute. suppose that Anil deposited 8,000 rupees in a saving bank account. The bank pays like interest at the rate of 5% per annum. What amount will he get after 1 year? So is Anil deposited rupees 8,000 rupees is deposited in a bank. Anil is depositing this. So rate of interest is 5%. Like suppose that bank is charging rate of interest is 5%. So that Anil whatever he is depositing, it is nothing but P का मतलब principal is this, rate of interest is R is nothing but 5%. Okay, 5%. So 5% per annum. So what will be the amount he will receive after he is depositing? Means principal, R means per annum means annually 5%. So what amount he will get after 1 year? Time period is T equal to 1 year. Okay, P दिया है, R दिया है, T दिया है, PRT. So you can find the formula by SI. We know SI equal to P into R into T upon 100. 8,000 into 5 into 1 upon 100. 2 0 से 2 0 cancels. So 8 5 जा 5 1 जा 5 1 जा 5 5 8 जा 40 और 1 0 400 rupees. So SI simple interest is 400. So amount equal to P plus SI. P means principal is 8,000 which he deposited and 400 additionally he will get. So 8,400 he will get after 1 year. This is very simple question of this. So 8,000 he can get after 1 year. So see, you can calculate in many ways. By normal method you can calculate. So 5% per annum means, see, you will have to understand the funda. Second method, if you don't know this method, then you will have to solve it. T equal to 1 year. Okay, so 5%, second method, 5% means 5 per 100. Okay, 5% means 5% means 5 upon 100. 5 upon 100 means 5 per 100. So मीन्स पर 100 रुपीज पे 5 रुपए आपको क्या मिल रहा है? परसेंट है. 100 रुपीज पे 5 रुपीज परसेंट है. मीन्स इंटरेस्ट ऑन रुपीज 100 फॉर 1 ईयर. मीन्स यू कैन राइट इंटरेस्ट ऑन रुपीज 100 पर ईयर इक्वल टू 5. ओके, सो अगर 100 रुपए पे 5 रुपए है तो 1 रुपए पे कितना होगा? 1 रुपीज पे. 1 रुपीज विल बी लेस. सो फॉर लेस यू विल हैव टू डिवाइड बाय 100. फॉर लेस always divide. For more always multiply. So 100 will go into the division. For 1 rupees पे 5 upon 100. So interest on 8,000 rupees for 1 year. Interest on then you calculate on 8,000. This is 8,000 rupees for 1 year. 1 year. Okay, per year means 1 year, huh? For 1 year. Okay. So 1 rupees पे इतना, तो 8,000 मीन्स ज्यादा. So 2020 कितना आ गया? 400. 5 8 40, 0 का 0. So 8,000 रुपीज पे 1 ईयर का इंटरेस्ट है 400 रुपीज. सो डिपॉजिट, व्हाट वाज द टोटल डिपॉजिट यू मेड? सो अमाउंट इक्वल टू प्रिंसिपल प्लस इंटरेस्ट. तो 8,000 प्लस 400. सो अमाउंट इक्वल टू P प्लस SI. P कितना है? 8,000. SI कितना है? 400. तो 8,400. This is by the traditional method. The first one was from the simple interest method. So this is one of the good topic. We'll be covering more question from this topic. Please do like, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you very much. Thank you.